Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we will be presenting a bullish outlook on Unity Technologies with a ticker symbol of U. We will determine whether Unity is really worth buying in its adverse times by exploring a broad perspective of its company overview, current financials, industry overview, reasons for current success and future growth potential, as well as ESG considerations and investment risks.
For a brief company overview, Unity Technologies is a software development company that has historically focused on softwares for game development, but it has recently expanded its horizons to almost all types of 3D content development. Its most popular product is the Unity game engine. There are over 5 billion downloads a month with over 2.5 billion active end users, averaging over 8 billion hours of gameplay per month on apps that use their engine. Unity has also dominated the mobile gaming market because of its initial support of the iPhone. In addition to working with Apple and its iPhone, Unity has a broad network of partnerships with companies like Tencent for cloud hosting services and Volkswagen for its Unity Forma service. We'll actually look at a video that demonstrates those capabilities later. Unity is also a leader in the AR and VR development, and its stock price at the current time of making this presentation is $92.75.
Recently, Unity has collaborated with Volkswagen to create a campaign video, as you can see, for Volkswagen's first fully electric SUV. All of these shots in the video are augmented reality, and many of the angles you see of the exterior, interior, and environment could not have been done in a live camera production.
Additionally, Unity has made many popular games. Some of the most popular games created with Unity include classics like Crossy Road and Temple Run, Pokemon Go and its AR capabilities, recent sensations like Among Us and Fall Guys, VR games like Iron Man VR, and digital collectible games like Hearthstone. Looking at Unity's financials, we can see many signs of profitability. Even though Unity has had an operating loss of $275 million, over $400 million were put into R&D. And in the latest earnings call, the CEO of Unity claimed that Unity is on track for profitability by 2023. On top of this, as seen in the graph, Unity has a tremendous year-over-year revenue growth, and this has no signs of slowing down. They also have low amounts of debt and a high cash flow. With this, Unity will not be experiencing any financial or liquidity issues anytime soon. Finally, many consider Unity's valuation as high because of its high PB and PS ratios. However, Unity has many intellectual assets, and its high growth potential makes its current valuation minuscule compared to its potential.
Unity's business model is unlike others in that its primary focus is long-term growth and market dominance. They're even willing to sacrifice its short-term profits, which can be attributed to its high reinvestment in R&D. It has three main revenue streams: create solutions, operate solutions, and strategic partnerships. The first stream, create solutions, consists of revenue from subscription services and products. This includes products such as Unity Pro, Unity Enterprise, Unity Forma, and other services that help create and maintain 2D or 3D softwares. Operate solutions, which contributes to most of the company's total revenue, consists of advertising and live services. Unity has many optimization and monetization services using AI, such as Unified Auction, which is an auction marketplace where advertising space is sold to the highest bidder. Most live services come from the acquisition of companies like Vivox, Multiplay, and Delta DNA, which include cloud hosting and Unity Simulate. The smallest segment, strategic partnerships, comes from partnerships with large corporations in order to ensure that code is easily compatible and integrated across different devices and platforms. Under miscellaneous, it also has an asset store where one can purchase pre-existing code. Unity is working on and has succeeded in creating a wide economic moat in its current growing industries: gaming, which includes advertising, and augmented reality and virtual reality. Gaming is one of the few industries that has been performing exceptionally well since the outbreak of COVID-19. In the past year, video game revenue has exceeded the North American sports and global movie market combined. It sees almost no signs of future decline despite the nearing end of the pandemic, with an expected revenue of $200 billion by 2023. Within this industry, the mobile gaming market has become the largest and fastest growing segment of video gaming revenue as seen on the top right graph, reaching almost 50% of the global market by 2020. It is no coincidence that Unity has invested early into the mobile gaming market and now has a large moat that prevents much competition. There is a shift in monetization in the mobile industry with one-time downloadable content and free-to-play games are becoming popularized. Unity has also prepared for this shift and is now one of the largest mobile advertising networks in the world, serving 23 billion ads per month. Unity has also heavily invested into AR and VR, which are one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Unity is completely dominating this content market with a 60% market share. There are a few reasons why Unity has prospered in the past and will continue to grow rapidly in the future. First and foremost, the company is prioritizing to expand its reach and customer base before becoming acquainted with intense monetization models. This parallels the founding strategies of many large tech companies such as YouTube, Amazon, and Facebook. They have also had an overwhelming reinvestment into R&D, which has allowed them to create a multitude of products and services without stretching themselves too thin. This has also allowed them to expand into many other industries such as automotive, film animation, architecture, and educational tech. Staying ahead of the game by being prepared for the takeover of mobile gaming and free-to-play content, it has dominated the growing industries. It is also important to note that Unity is specifically penetrating markets with high growth potential. They have also been able to retain a large customer base and loyalty with offerings such as free products for companies that earn less than 100K revenue annually.
In order to better understand Unity's competitive positioning, let us dive into a SWOT analysis of Unity. Unity's main strengths lie in its multi-platform capabilities and expansion into new growing industries. This is mainly fueled through their heavy investments in R&D, allowing them to create a wide economic moat with a very little debt. Unity's main weakness lies in its current valuation and its revenue and lack of profitability. And this is mainly due to the fact that it offers many free services. However, once Unity becomes larger, it can start monetizing these services. Unity shines when it comes to its opportunities. It has many possible industries it can enter and many uses for its AR and VR technologies. There are many investors who have underestimated the potential of this market, and these opportunities are the driving factor for Unity's future growth. Finally, Unity has a few threats, the main being Epic Games and its Unreal Engine. However, Unity's domination in the mobile game market and its expansion into VR and AR suggest that these threats are not significant in the long run. We also see that Unity has been a positive contributor to environmental and social causes. The main contributions is through their educational platform and the program Unity for Humanity. Through these programs, Unity promotes education in computer science and opens opportunities for people around the world from all income levels. Unity also realizes the importance of remaining carbon neutral, offsetting its necessary emissions with the purchase of carbon offset credits. When we look at the investment risk for Unity, we see that it has four major risks. The first being that it may try to enter too many markets and overload itself. It should only bite off what it can handle. We also see its competitor, Unreal Engine, and other open source gaming engines, which it has to deal with, especially after the success of Fortnite and other Epic Games console and PC games. We also need to address its current inability to monetize its base and the need to monetize that big base that it has in order to increase their revenue. Finally, Unity has a high PB and PS ratio, which means that Unity has to maintain this high growth in order to satisfy investors' demands. Finally, we see that Unity is a buy. It is a leader in the transition from 2D to 3D, and it has a prospect of profitability by 2023. Additionally, its high revenue growth and the diversification of its revenue through the expansion into non-gaming industries suggests that it will be a force to reckon with in the future. We estimate a market cap of $62 billion and a stock price of $222 a share by 2024.